Hello students, this video is all about day before exam revision strategy of paper 2 corporate and other laws. Before I share your revision strategy, let me tell you two important points. First point is do not skip attempt of remaining papers. It is irrelevant how you attempted previous paper. All the papers are independent papers, so do not skip attempt of remaining papers. Let me tell you my personal experience. As you all know, I'm a chartered accountant and qualified cost accountant. You know, all levels of CA I cleared in my first attempt. And coming to CMA, I took 2 attempts to clear CMA Inter. That doesn't mean I failed CMA Inter in the first attempt. I failed to attempt all the papers in the first attempt. When I attempted first paper, I attempted only 75 marks and I thought that I would not get 50 marks minimum, which is a scoring paper. So I thought that I would not get 50 marks and I skipped remaining papers in my first attempt of CMA Inter. Later when result was announced, I got exemption in that paper. Let me show you my result card. So this is my result card. December 2014 exam term. So yes, financial accounting, I got 64 marks. After looking at this result, the very next attempt, I decided to give attempt of all the papers. So during my articleship only, I cleared CMA Inter as well as CMA Final. So I took 8 days leave and 8 days preparation. Yes, I cleared CMA Inter. I got All India rank in CMA Inter. Understood? So do not skip attempt of remaining papers. First thing. Second thing, do not discuss answers of completed exam. See, for this also, I'll share you my personal experience. May 2014, so I attempted a CA Inter examination. I attended CA Inter examination in May 2014. After completion of first paper, my friend called me and asked me answer for amalgamation. I made a small mistake in purchase consideration. That's it. Entire problem wrong. 116 marks, amalgamation problem I made wrong. And accounting of incomplete records, the chapter is there at that time in CA Inter. And the balance sheet, final balance sheet was not tallied. So another 16 marks mistake. So out of 100 marks, 32 marks I made mistake. That means I attempted only 68 marks for correct answers. Correct answers only for 68 marks. But how much score I got? I got 79 marks. Why? Stepwise marking is available. For all working notes, for each and every point, you will get mark. Understood? Even your final answer is wrong, don't worry. First of all, don't discuss answers of completed exam. Even if you discuss, so don't get demotivated with the wrong answers. Every point, every step you will get mark. Let me show you my result card. CA Inter. So paper 1 accounting, I got 79 marks. Understood? And in CA Inter, I got All India rank 27 also. Clear? Next one, coming to our paper 2 corporate and other laws. I categorized all chapters, all 15 chapters into 3 categories. First category, category A, very, very important. And in this category A, I summarized, I categorized only small chapters which is giving more weightage. If you look at category A is giving you 50 marks. So FEMA, LLP, foreign companies, deposits, charges, dividends, preliminary, all are very, very small chapters. So don't skip these chapters. So category A will give you 50 marks. And category B, here you will find, content point of view moderate. That means not too lengthy, not too small. So moderate chapters giving you 6 marks weightage minimum. Incorporation of companies, prospectus, share capital. I selected only few sections. Section 43, equity shares with differential rights. 52, securities premium utilization. 55, preference shares. 63, bonus issue. 67, restrictions on purchase of shares. 68, buyback of shares. So I selected few sections. Don't skip these sections. Next one, management and administration. I selected only 4 topics. AGM, section 96. Quorum 103. Proxy 105. Minutes 118. Next one, accounts of companies and audit and auditors. In audit and auditors, I selected only 2 topics. Disqualifications, eligibility criteria. It is all about eligibility criteria of auditor. Next one, cost audit applicability limits. Understood? So this is second category. Yes, here you can expect 36 marks from this second category. On conservative basis, I'm telling you. Next one, if time If you are having sufficient time, then go with last category. So General Clauses Act, interpretation of statutes. General Clauses Act, simple chapter, but students feel difficult in remembering the content. So General Clauses Act, next one, interpretation of statutes, and all the remaining topics of share capital, management and administration, audit and auditors. Clear? Next one, I am providing you resources how to revise corporate and other laws in just 1.5 days. So the resources are freely available. Coming to the resources, you can watch quick revision lectures. So total duration of quick revision lectures is 10 hours. It is available in 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, other laws. And I covered all the concepts. Summary revision, quick revision. It's not detailed revision, it's a quick revision. And I covered 100 marks. Nothing I ignored. Entire subject was covered. And for this quick revision lectures, I used handwritten notes up to management and administration chapter. And for remaining chapters, I prepared a summary notes. Understood? So just go through these 2 resources. So after completion of each and every chapter, go with the question bank and solve a previous examination questions. And all these resources are available on our website. First of all, let me show you the resources, PDF resources. Just go through our website, rest of our CA and CMA. So here you will find free resources tab. Just click on free resources. Next, select P2 corporate and other laws, and you will find various resources. Part 1, Part 2, law marathon. Next one, other laws, marathon notes. Next one, punishments and penalties. Next one, statutory limits. The last attempt on limits and punishments, 25 marks came. 25 marks came. Understood? Next one, yes, you can go through all these documents, See, this is my handwritten notes for Part 1 marathon. Everything was summarized. Everything was summarized. You will find each and every section. In fact, section numbers also you will find here. Next one, Part 2 marathon notes. As I told you, up to management and administration, I prepared handwritten notes. And for remaining chapters, I gave you summary notes. So this is the summary notes for remaining chapters. All important points I summarized and I prepared these notes. Next one, for other laws, for other laws and LLP also, I prepared a separate summary document. So total, if you look at the number of pages also, this is 38 pages document, and this is some 60 pages document, and this is also 60 pages document. Okay. And with respect to revision lectures, you can go through our YouTube channel. Yes, in Harsha YouTube channel, you will find a playlist January 2025 attempt RTPs, MTPs and marathon. So just let me share you. So in this playlist, you will find all the videos. You'll find all the videos, quick revision videos. Suppose you can see last video, paper 2B company law revision part 2 and paper 2B other laws law revision. And here only you can watch, you can see CA inter law MTP1 and MTP2 and P2A company law revision marathon part 1. Alternatively, you can also search in my YouTube channel. So in my YouTube channel, yes, one place is there, CA inter corporate and other laws. So this is my YouTube channel. Here, just go with the playlist. In place, first place, select first place. Here you will find 5 videos. So 3 videos with respect to quick revision and 2 videos with respect to penal provisions and statutory limits. Understood? So use these resources wisely. Next one. Follow 90-10 rule. Oh sir, what is this 90-10 rule? 90 minutes preparation, 10 minutes break. Next 90 minutes preparation, again 10 minutes break. Then only you can revise it efficiently. Getting it? Just studying is not sufficient. You need to revise it efficiently and effectively. Next one, revise smartly. For that, I already share you the resources. You can go through these resources. Once again, I'm telling you, don't ignore these resources. Every section was summarized in a crispy manner. Understood? Suppose if you take 1% company, conditions for member, conditions for company. Next one. So with respect to vacancy nominee clause, everything, each and every section, hardly I took 1 page to fill up entire section. Suppose section 8 company, provisions related to section 8, you will find in 1 page. Getting it? Next one, avoid distractions. Please turn off notifications in your mobile. If possible, switch off your mobile. Understood? Next one, sleep at least 7 hours a day. At the end, practice previous papers. I forgot to share you one more resource. The resource is Question Bank. So here you can see Question Bank also. In the same tab, you can see Question Bank, which consists of previous attempt RTPs, MTPs, and previous year examination question papers. Getting it? So all the resources are with you only. Now just use these resources wisely, and I wish you very all the best for the upcoming exams. Thank you.